Hi, my name is Scott Andrews, and this is taking your brand to the next level with 3 easy steps. Are you a future or current business owner with the goal of taking your brand to the next level? If so, there are features and components of the branding process that must be explained to attain your goal. Many successful companies have a successful brand. Why? Thinking as a consumer can be the best approach to branding. Consumers tend to look for companies that fulfill their needs through several factors. The only way for a consumer to know your brand exists and to be interested in your brand is through informative tools called promoting, advertising, and marketing. All of these tools are essential to complete your brand in the branding process. Today I will discuss important topics such as common issues companies have when branding, how to effectively implement each tool, and the benefits that come from these tools. Thus, this will help maximize your company's brand through these comprehensive lessons. Companies that have failed in the branding process have similar issues. For example, they lack understanding of their consumers from the lack of participating in the open market of branding. Some more traits from these companies tend to be a lack of engagement in the interests of their consumers, prioritize short-term goals over long-term goals, and are non-communicative, all of which lead to a missed targeted audience or no audience at all. One way to avoid these negative traits is through sales promoting. Promoting is a significant tool in the branding process by helping a company give options to their interested consumers, which results in active engagement. The implementation of promoting begins by identifying the product or service. This will help prioritize a specific audience. There should also be consideration of other marketing resources to attain value in the branding process. Some promoting examples that successful companies offer include coupons, rebates, giveaways, and examples. These examples of promoting help the branding process by displaying measurable results through consumer activity. Research supports that 25% of people who are offered promos of a product or service have a positive impression. Therefore, promotions give an opportunity to bring continual interest to a consumer. Another branding tool that can enhance a company's brand is advertising. Advertising is vital towards representing an informative platform that is intended to spread information to consumers about your brand. Similar to promoting, implementing advertising takes understanding of the product or service and using that to target a specific audience. With these factors in mind, advertising must supply the most persuasive information in a limited time period. Expanding one's brand through advertising takes analytical and innovative thinking. Successful companies use broadcasting closely related to their brand, for example, Nike and ESPN. Advertising helps brands outcompete their competitors through enhanced commercialized information. Brands should also explore multiple media outlets to expand their advertising network. Lastly, marketing is a significant branding tool that assists a company's understanding of consumerism. Without marketing in the branding process, companies will not be able to maximize their potential. Marketing consists of statistical research and sales according to budgeting and factors of consumerism on the market, interpretation of competitors and their successes/failures, and building relationships with other firms. You might ask, so how do these effective implementations of promoting, advertising, and marketing help my brand? The answer is simple. It is the fact that these tools establish brand recognition. Brand recognition benefits a company through generating revenue, boosting professionalism through credibility and reliability, and establishes a foundation among other competitors. So let's summarize what we've gone through thus far. We understand how a company fails to expand their brand. We've learned when to appropriately implement each brand tool and how they benefit our brand. So what's the goal? To reach the end goal of taking your brand to the next level, these three steps of promoting, advertising, and marketing are essential to long-term success with brand recognition. All lead to economic standing and persuasion to your customer. Thank you for watching.